Astronomers have just shared a breathtaking new look at the Cat's Eye Nebula, and it's something special. This image actually blends observations from two powerful space telescopes, the Hubble Space Telescope and the Euclid telescope. Hubble focuses on the fine details, while Euclid captures the much bigger cosmic environment around it. Together, they create one of the most complete views we've ever had of this incredible object in space. The Cat's Eye Nebula, also known as NGC 6543, sits about 4,400 light-years away in the constellation Draco. When you look at it, the shape really does resemble a glowing eye staring out into space. What we're seeing is a planetary nebula, which forms when a dying star sheds its outer layers during the final stages of its life. Over time, the star releases wave after wave of gas, creating these beautiful shells that expand outward like ripples. Hubble's contribution to this new image is all about the close-up view. Its advanced camera for surveys captured visible light images that reveal astonishing detail in the nebula's core. You can clearly see multiple shells of gas wrapped around the central star, almost like the rings inside a tree trunk. Each one marks a moment when the star expelled material during a powerful outburst. The images also show high-speed jets blasting out from the star in different directions. As these jets slam into previously ejected gas, they create shockwaves that form tiny knots and complex structures. The result is an intricate web of loops, billows, and glowing patterns. In many ways, it's like a record of the star's final years written across space, revealing a much more complicated structure than the simple round glow we see from Earth. While Hubble zooms in on the action, the Euclid telescope steps back and looks at the bigger picture. Euclid was designed to map large regions of the universe, so it can capture wide views in both visible and near-infrared light. When it observes the Cat's Eye Nebula, it shows the nebula surrounded by a vast halo of gas fragments. There's even a large outer ring made of material the star expelled long before the current nebula formed. In Euclid's wider view, delicate filaments and arcs stretch far beyond the bright center, giving us a sense of how much material the star has lost over time. The background is also filled with countless distant galaxies, appearing as tiny dots scattered across the image. Seeing them alongside the nebula really drives home the scale of the universe, and reminds us that this dramatic stellar ending is just one small event within a much larger cosmic scene. The Cat's Eye Nebula also holds an important place in the history of astronomy. Back in 1864, it became the first planetary nebula whose light spectrum was analyzed. That discovery helped scientists realize that these objects weren't solid bodies at all, but clouds of glowing gas. Later observations, including detailed images captured by Hubble in the 1990s, completely reshaped our understanding of how planetary nebulae form and evolve. With this new combined view from Hubble and Euclid, astronomers are able to see both the fine details and the grand structure of the Cat's Eye Nebula all at once. It's a powerful reminder of how dynamic and beautiful the final stages of a star's life can be, and how modern telescopes working together can reveal the universe in ways we've never seen before.